At the heart of gastronomic innovation, Cocina Sin Límites was born in Barcelona in 2008. Our team, with over 30 years of combined international experience, drives a constant culinary revolution through our flagship brands, 100% Chef and 100% Barman, worldwide benchmarks in the professional gastronomic sector. At 100% Chef, we are synonymous with constant innovation, providing tools, solutions, and professional machinery to accompany chefs from all over the world in their creative process. 100% Barman is our response to the global rise of mixology. Our most significant product families range from tools for advanced smoking techniques to innovative concepts such as distillation, spherification, lyophilization, and more. Our vision is to generate proposals and solutions for the professional gastronomic industry. Our mission to provide the professional sector worldwide with a differential catalog that adds value to their gastronomic proposals. The values that guide our daily work are the customer, the team, environmental commitment, innovation, and a passion for gastronomy. Creativity and technical perfection have led us to the creative forefront of the sector. Our secret ingredient is our people, passionate chefs, leading distributors, demanding craftsmen and suppliers, and the commitment of the 100% Chef team. We are here to grow and evolve with you. At Cocina Sin Límites, every day is a new opportunity to redefine gastronomy. From our global e-commerce to You Cook, our exclusive content channel, we are here to inspire chefs and bartenders worldwide. Join us as we continue creating culinary magic.
Cocina Sin Límites. What can I do for you?